This is my mama's makeup and crochet channel.
Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you how to make these mini yarn ball earrings. I crochet and hoard yarns, and I think this is a cute way to show my love for yarns. These can also be used as bracelet charms or pendants for necklaces maybe. Anyway, I have already tried them on and I like them. The weight is just right, not too heavy, not too light. Well, that rhymes. Anyway, let's keep going. But first, here are the things we need. Let's start. Here is the bead. There is a hole right there where the eye pin will go through. Let's put glue on that part and try to put in the yarn with the help of the eye pin. The glue is not totally dry yet, so I'm being careful not to pull on the yarn. And now I will start to wind the yarn or crochet thread around the bead. I put some glue on this part where the yarn will go, so it will not move while I'm winding it around the bead. This is a wooden bead, by the way. I have a different one, like a faux pearl, but I think the yarn will adhere to this one better. So I'm just winding the yarn around the bead. I'm not too meticulous with the direction or count. The goal is to cover the bead completely with yarn. Also, I'm putting glue on some parts of the bead, but not all over, just to be sure that the yarn will stick. Almost done. I'm just making sure that there's no part of the bead that's peeking through the yarn. And I'm done winding. Let's cut the yarn and fasten off. I think you can just glue the end of the yarn, but I want to be sure that it will not unravel, so I'm weaving it into the other strands using a yarn needle. When I was done weaving in the yarn, I just cut off the excess. Now it's time to cut the eye pin into the length that we need to make a small ring. this is where I will connect the earring hook. You can put a jump ring in between the eye pin and the hook if you want. I didn't because I don't want my earrings to be too long. Here I'm just closing the ring to secure the hook so it will not be detached. And it's done. Now we just need to make another one to have a pair of earrings. Ta-da! Here's number 2 and now we have a pair. Well, that's all for now. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon! Bye!
Like if you like this video, subscribe if you love it, share if you care. Thank you for watching. Bye!